So today, I'm going to mow the lawn. Here's the lawn after the Sydney storms, and I'm going to use arguably the worst lawnmower in history. I haven't actually touched this in months. Here it is. Such a resplendent machine. This is the thing, right? I haven't touched it in so long. It's growing into the earth. The earth is reclaiming it. It's like annihilation for lawnmowers. I have a nickname for this lawnmower. It's called Christine, based after the Stephen King novel, because it just wants to kill you. I had a friend, and he was renting temporarily in another house a few years ago, and he said, hey, there's a free lawnmower here. It just says free with a sign on it. So I opted for that because I had a very grumpy guy that used to cut the lawn, and he would complain every time I employed him, which is kind of counter to business principles. So here we have this shitty lawnmower. I'll run you past some of its features, right? So it's got this acceleration cable. The top of it's snapped off here. The cables are all wonky. You can't actually adjust this. Like, it's all rusted, even though I think I might have put WD-40 in there, but maybe not. The handles are rusted. Cable goes down here, and then this is the kind of the accelerated thing. So you can actually, you can't turn it on and off. You have to stall it to get it off. In thick grass, you can see it there where it says it's half embedded in the earth. Strangely, this is kind of like a pet cemetery here for some other animals we've had in the past. So the Stephen King analogy really works here. Over this side, well, you can see at the top, it's just rusty. It's as rusty as hell. I'll try and give you a bit of a cinematic view of it here. Right. And then it's got a height adjustment today because the lawn's so sort of tall. Usually I go down to number 2 notch there, but we're gonna have to go to maybe right up here, because it goes so slow as far as RPM goes that it just stalls all the time. Just check got any fuel here. Yeah, it's low on fuel, so I'll fix that up in a second. And then here on this side, I'm actually going to move it. Like I said, I've not started this in months. This is one of the beautiful features, right? Is this wheel comes off all the time. Hence the steel caps. I've tried gaffer tape, wire, actual, what brand is this, Victor or something? Briggs and Stratton. I've tried everything, like the proper mechanical clips to make this wheel stay on, but it just does not want to stay on. So that's another element one has to deal with. So quite frequently this will come off during the mowing process. This is the inverted commas catcher, right, which is supposed to catch grass. It's kind of half snapped off. You can see the underside there with the blade, and that catcher probably catches like a third of any grass that's available. Get back in there, and then let's roll this baby out. See the wheel? It's funny, if you go in a straight line, it'll work. The thing I like about this mower, it's got all the character. I did try and buy a new one recently, but any mower 4 to 5 years old that's petrol, it just goes out the door like hotcakes. Because some of they're getting better, but the lithium mowers, the technology is just not strong enough. Tim, how many is it amps? Whatever the measurement is. Basically, you need the top end, more powerful ones. Otherwise, and this is solid, even though it's prehistoric. Look at the rust, because we're near the ocean as well. That doesn't help. But the electric mowers, they have come a long way, but they're small, they're dinky, underpowered. Full splendid mechanical process going on here. Yeah, this baby's thirsty. Yeah, you like that? Drink it up. Good girl. I have saved a lot of money with this mower, but I would never use it without steel caps on. And I always get funny looks from professional guys, and because the accelerator's stuck in a certain position, I can't get the revs up anymore. So we might have some WD-40 in there. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, this baby's thirsty. Now, I hope this doesn't bite me in the ass, but I usually say maximum 5 pulls to get this going. This is like a 30-year-old lawnmower, but that's what I love about it. That in its own way, it cuts grass poorly, it falls apart, you can't meter the acceleration, it doesn't catch grass, and it fucking starts after all these years. Now let's put this back in here. And do we have any WD-40 in here, folks? No, I don't think so. I'd see it. That'd be cheating anyway, wouldn't it? I'm just going to tease you a bit further. I'm going to move that deck thing. It is really thick, the grass here. Come on, baby, let's go. So I kind of work in a... This is so thick. This could go one way or the other. Pull Christine out. See if we can do that without the wheel coming off. Oh shit. It's so busted up. This has got a primer button on the side here. Let's give that a little... Get ready for some noise. I don't know what I should do with this. Sometimes I fiddle with it. See that spark plug around there as well. Okay, here we go. Okay, I might have to put you over here. That's the accelerator. This works sometimes too. Ready? Alright, baby, let's go. That's 3 pulls. Maybe it's flooded. That's 4 pulls. Okay. Usually it takes me the first X amount of pulls to work out like where this should be. Look at that, it just... Oh shit. Okay. That dugometer just fell off. Look at the front of this thing. Come on, baby, I believe in you. Let's go. How many we're up to? 3 pulls? Okay. 4. That's 5. Let's do this. Let's get Give it a bit of a angle thing happening. Okay. Oh shit, half the fuel came out then. We'll just ignore that. I got that tip from Vice Grip Garage. Anything that looks sus, just ignore it. Okay. 6. Okay. We'll go back to this one and we'll prime it again. I'll just give it one push. 7. Woo! Fuck yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh shit. Smoke's gone. Oh shit. Alright. This is the most revs it's ever had. Fucking miracle. Docking station. Dock. Miracles happen. Look at that. So I've done like half the yard. Took no time at all. Strangely, after like 2 years, whatever I did earlier in the video, because I always fiddle with the accelerator, it just bumped up the revs. It started on the 7th try and it's cutting like a dream. It's still smoking a bit, but you know, this is 30-year-old technology. I don't know the exact model. If anyone has any comments to say, it's a Briggs Stratton 450 series 148cc. And the thing about that is, it could be 2 years old, I don't know, because of the rust. It's older than 2 years because I picked it up probably 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm going to do this half the yard now. I've got it, I think I was running it on about the 3rd or 4th notch in the end to just give it that evidence of a clean cut. Don't use a whippersnipper. Let's see if this baby starts again. Boom! I've given it a Brazilian. Should I just leave it like that? happened again. Oh shit, what happened then? We out of fuel. Surely not. How many tyre changes have we had so far? It's like Formula One. Yeah. We are done. Okay, so lawn is now complete. Look at that. Don't know if I took a before shot, but I'll get one from the previous footage, but pretty good, hey. I'm gonna do the top, but I won't shoot that. This is a lot easier than this, and it's not as exciting because the wheels don't fall off as much because it's just sort of more straight line. But I purposely have waited till this moment to see what the catcher caught. Have a look. Oh, what a resplendent result. This much yard, most of it's ended up back in the yard. But that's all right. To sum up this lawnmower, it's like something from the Cold War. Even though it sounds like an English brand, I'd never let my kids use it. I only recorded about half the time till the wheel fell off the thing. It really is a little bit past its use by date in some ways. And peripherally, you can't measure the acceleration. Strangely, today it decided that it would increase the RPM to a reasonable amount. The catcher doesn't work. The cables are rusted. The whole aesthetics of the machine in itself are quite tragic and decrepit. It really is a liability, but it's fucking cheap. As long as you got steel caps, half a brain, you'll be fine. It cuts the grass, and if you compare it to a lot of modern products, which are throwaway items, this engine is still sound. It's a beautiful thing when it starts again. I feel kind of almost romantic about this engine, but then in a platonic romantic sense. So yeah, thank you, oh dangerous, weird, possessed lawnmower. You saved me $60 a cut. Over and out.